Hoping you have a good day. We started to develop this entertaining, fabulous and interesting tutorial basically knowing a guitar. From the beginning, we must know that there are small and big guitars. Small and big guitars. For example, here we have one. This guitar is electroacoustic, very similar to the acoustic ones. Its similarity is that both contain a resonant box. While an electric doesn't have a resonant box. Well, let's get to know all guitar. Okay? In general, we find the famous six string. Each of them consists of different tones that can be high, low, and so on. Each string has its position and order. It's placed on the big box. That's the big box. It's the top of a guitar neck where the pegs are the tighten or loosen the strings. The bridge, which is that the bridge, holds those strings and transmits their vibration to some other structural component of the instrument so as to transfer the sound to the air more effectively. Well, let's get to the notes. There is a general chord wheel worldwide. For example, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, y si. Oh, good. Bye bye.